only the homeowner should handle final decision-making on budget approval, contract signing, permit applications under their name, and choosing which contractor to hire because these carry legal and financial responsibility that cannot be passed off to anyone else. Think of it like this. A contractor can hammer nails, paint walls, and install a new sink, but they should never be the one deciding how much money you're willing to spend or signing legal paperwork on your behalf. Here's something a lot of people don't realize. When a permit gets pulled for work on your house, it often needs to be tied to the property owner's name, not just the contractor's business, which means you are legally responsible for that work even if someone else physically pulled the permit. That's a big deal because if something goes wrong later, like during a home sale inspection, the liability can land right back on you. Another thing owners should always personally handle is verifying insurance and licensing before any contractor steps foot on the property. A lot of folks assume the company handles that automatically, but it's actually the homeowner's job to ask for proof and keep a copy for their own records. One common mistake is letting a contractor talk you into skipping the written contract because you trust them personally. Always get everything in writing no matter how nice or professional someone seems. Another misconception is thinking you have to say yes to the first estimate you receive. It's smart to get 2 or 3 quotes so you understand fair pricing in your area. People also forget to walk the job site personally before final payment is made, which means small mistakes can get missed. Always do a final walkthrough yourself before releasing that last payment. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called Job Bid Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.